Hello guys, are you genius? If you are genius, then solve this question, which is 9 divided by 3 parenthesis 3 plus 0. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are genius, then before watching the video, comment of this question. But if you are student, then follow my method. I can solve these questions step by step. If you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel. Mostly people can wrong this question and he can solve this question in this method. He can solve it 9 divided by 3 times 3, which is equal to 9 plus 3 times 0 is 0. So 9 divided by 9, which is equal to 1. But student, this answer is wrong, because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Okay guys, in PEMDAS, parentheses have higher priority than other operation. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. But remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So in this expression, firstly we can solve parentheses. So guys, I can remove it. I can write here 9 divided by 3 parentheses 3 plus 0, which is equal to 3. Okay guys, now in next step we can solve it. And now I can say here in PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. So here I can start it from left to right. So 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3 times 3. Now here 3 times 3 equal to 9. Guys, this is our final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of amazing and interesting PEMDAS question. Thanks a lot.